What up, Tube? Today is Tuesday, June 12th. Today's my day off. I am not working. Normally I really don't vlog too much when I'm on my day off, unless I'm on vacation or something, then I take you guys with me. But today's a very, very special day, guys. You know, something special going on in my family today, and it's something that I want to share with you guys and maybe, you know, just to share with you guys, maybe to inspire you guys, if anything, inspire some of you guys to go ahead and do this process that's happening today. And, you know, it's an important thing, guys. It's a very, very important thing. So today, my mom is going to go get sworn in as a U.S. citizen, guys. A U.S. citizen. I am so proud of my mom. My mom came to this country from Mexico in 1968, 1967, I think. And, you know, she came here illegally, like a lot of people do, you know. And she met my father, and she got, you know, pregnant for my father. And they didn't think things were going to work out, so they split up. My mom went back to Mexico, had me there. And later on left me there, returned to work like a lot of mothers do, and left me with my grandmother. Came back to work again, and met my father again, and they reconciled. They ended up getting married, sent for me. I came to the United States as a 2-year-old, and you know, me, because my father was an American citizen, I automatically became an American citizen. My mom was smart. My mom became a resident in 1972, and she didn't waste no time. You know, she did the footwork. She did what she had to do. She got her papers. And she did it on her own, guys. She didn't do that because she married my father. She did that on her own before she married my father. So, you know, I'm very proud of my mom. And, you know, in all these years, my mom always wanted to be a U.S. citizen. And you know, I just, you know, it was really, it's like doing the footwork and just getting it done. And we procrastinated for years and years, and she's always talked about wanting to be a U.S. citizen, and she's very, very proud, and I'm very proud of her. So today at 12 p.m. is her swearing. Right now it's about 10 a.m. I'm out here watering my grass in my backyard. I'm about to go inside and get ready, and so we can go over there, and she's gonna get sworn in, and then once her swearing is in, we're all gonna go celebrate with her. We're going to take her to Porta in San Pedro to go have some mariscos and listen to some music and drink some beers and just celebrate. We're so happy and proud of my mom. My mom is, you know, my mom is a one of a kind person. She goes up and beyond the call of being a mother, a duty of being a mother, and not only a mother, but a person. She's just loved and cherished by so many people. Nobody has anything to say bad about her. So, I'm going to finish this watering right here. I'm going to go get dressed, and then I'll show you guys my mom, and I'm going to put some video of her going into her swearing, our ceremony. Of course, we're not allowed in there. It's 'cause she has to go in there on her own, but we'll get all the other festivities. And, you know, guys, this is an encouragement for you guys out there that don't have papers, or for you guys out there that are residents. You guys need to get on the ball, guys. You know, become American citizens. You know, if you're going to be in this country, you know, it's best to have all the joys and everything of being a U.S. citizen. All the things that come with it, guys. And the best way to do that is to become a U.S. citizen. You know, that way you can vote. That way, if you don't like who's in office, you can vote them out. Or, you know, it's just a lot of things, guys. And it's just an important thing to do. So I'm going to go get ready, and we're going to head out there, and we'll see what we get into. I'll post it all up for you guys. Proud of you, Mom. You know what amazes me the most about my mother is that when she first came here, she was only 21 years old. 20 years old, I think. You know, and to leave her family, leave everybody behind, and just come to a foreign country, her and her sister, to try to make a better life, to send money back and help their family. Because they were very, very poor. My mom was very poor when they were young. My mom said that she had to quit school when she was in 6th grade to help out to raise her brothers and sisters, because she was one of the oldest. You know, to me, it's incredible that they came from another foreign country into this country with nobody. They didn't know anybody. You know, they got across. They came here and established themselves. You know, got their papers. You know, it's. I mean, it's a blessing. You know, and now for my mom to be becoming a U.S. citizen. Oh man, I'm so proud of her. She did it. She went in there, aced the test, and 72 years old, and she's gonna get. She's always wanted to be a U.S. citizen, so now she gets a U.S. passport. She gets to vote. It's awesome, and I'm gonna take her through all those steps myself. I'm gonna make sure that she gets to experience getting to vote, going to the voting polls. You know, things that other people take advantage. We as Americans take for granted. You know, like. In other countries, they don't get to do that stuff like that. You know, they don't get to vote for their leaders, and you know, and in this country, it's the greatest country ever. We get to do whatever we want. We just gotta do the footwork and get good work ethic and do it, guys. And that's what it's all about, you know. And my mom taught me my work ethic. My mom's the hardest working person that I know in the world. That lady never sits down. Is always doing something, and you know, we should learn that. There's little things from your parents that you guys need to learn. And for you guys out there that aren't American citizens or aren't even residents, guys, get it right, guys. Do what you got to do. Do the footwork. Do the footwork. It's possible, trust me, guys. It takes money, it takes time, and you know, and not that much money, you know. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, and this is just an encouragement, all right? My mom started this process in February. We're in June. It took her 4 months to get to be a U.S. citizen. Come on, guys. If you're a resident and you're not a U.S. citizen, you should be doing it, dude. And guess what? Guess how much it cost her? $0. Zero. That's the big zilch. Footwork, guys. Do your footwork. If you guys need contact information to where I sent her so she could get her papers fixed up and everything, get everything in order, let me know. I'll give you guys a number. It's me and my mamacita right here. We're walking up to the convention center. She's about to get sworn in right now to become a U.S. citizen. Woo, are you happy, Mama?
Yes.
All right. So proud of my mama. My baby's parking the car because it's crazy. There's a lot of people here. So she's parking the car. We're just walking up. I'm going to walk her in. And then we'll see after. Lupe, we're here for you. I don't know where my mama is. She's here somewhere.
Is now your country. Our history is now your history. And our traditions are now your traditions. You enjoy the full rights and the sacred duties that come with American citizenship. Very, very special. There is no higher honor. There is no greater responsibility. You now share the obligation to teach our values to others, to help newcomers assimilate to our way of life, and uplift America by living according to its highest ideals of self-governance and its highest standards. All Americans are your brothers and sisters, and each of us must do our part to keep America safe, strong, and free. America is our home. We have no other. You have pledged allegiance to America, and when you give your love and loyalty to America, she returns her love and loyalty to you. We share one American heart and one American destiny. It is a destiny filled with love, opportunity, and hope. We celebrate this day. We welcome you into our national family. We applaud your devotion to America, and we embrace the wonderful future we will have together. Thank you, God bless you, and God bless America.
Just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here.
Puro USA, mama! Shoo!
Yeah.
All right, ma! Yeah! Woo!
The table over
Congratulations,
there.
mother!
You can just cut through. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, mama! Yes! We're right here with my mom. My mom just got her citizenship certificate. Very proud of my mom. We just got here to the San Pedro fish market. Checking out what we're gonna get here. That's prepping dinner right there, guys. That's what we're having right there. Bam! $100 snapper. It's $100 snapper. Woo!
What do you want to buy?
Wow.
That it?
That it? Damn.
Get away from my fish then.
That doesn't look appetizing.
No?
Look at that fruit tray, mama. Oh, mama. Happy U.S. Citizen Day. All the family. Y'all get it for you right now, mom. Okay, guys, I'm right here at the San Pedro Fish Market. Family's over there still eating. I'm gonna set up my drone right now. See if I can capture them on the side of where they're eating over there. See what's up. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for this, but we'll see what's up. We're walking out of San San Pedro fish market right now. My baby's pregnant and she wanted some clam chowder to go. Food was super bomba. Got to fly the drone. My mama's a U.S. citizen. Woo! All right, mama. Congratulations. Woo! Just got home from celebrating with my mamacita. And guess what came in? I know my vlog today hasn't been very barber related, but check it out.
Cordless. Only the best for the best.
Bam, baby, bam. Can't wait to try these bad boys out. Oh, love it. Good way to close the vlog out tonight. Barber life. Barbers.